Afghani Omelette. This Afghan-inspired dish features sunny side-up eggs nestled on a bed of sautéed potatoes and tomatoes. The potatoes add a satisfying crunch, while the tomatoes bring a burst of freshness. Enhanced with a blend of spices like cumin, peppers, and coriander, the eggs' rich yolks create a delightful fusion of flavors and textures. Let's make it. Bismillah. 1 cup of chopped or thinly sliced potatoes. About 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. 1/4 cup of chopped red onions. In a heated skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter. Pinch of cumin seeds. Add chopped potatoes. Sauté for a few minutes until starting to turn golden. Add chopped tomatoes and onions. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You can add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, optional. Sauté for a few minutes, cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium to low heat. Remove the lid, add chopped green chilies or jalapenos, optional. Carefully break 2 eggs into the skillet, one by one. You can always adjust the ingredients according to your preference. Cover and cook until the whites are just set, about 2 minutes. Garnish with chopped green chilies and cilantro. Serve immediately with toasted bread. If you like this recipe, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe for upcoming recipes. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.